This one will help you make remembering names a habit. Dale Carnegie says a person's name is their badge of individuality, so it makes us feel valued and important when we hear our name. The ability to remember people's names starts with small habits. One great way to build that mental muscle is to practice with small interactions. Every day, we interact with people where we learn people's names, especially customer service employees. People in stores with name tags, for example. My personal favorite is when I call a customer service representative. It's hard to learn their name when they say it quickly and then immediately ask, "With whom am I speaking?" You know what I'm talking about, and they all do it, so I'm ready, and I listen closely for their name. I often don't understand it, so I ask them to repeat it. Then I make it my goal to thank them by name at the very end of the call. It requires focus and caring, but it always feels good to brighten their day a little. And I know I was probably one of 100 calls that day that actually remembered their name. But the other benefit is building the mental awareness of learning names and using them consistently. Doing this will make a huge impression on people. Now it's your turn. Make a plan to use a person's name in a store or repeat their name on a customer service call. If you get in that daily habit, you'll become one of a small percentage of people that really stand out. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified when we post next. Thanks again.